I'm Andrei and this is Hangman, my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. I'll walk you through the game, which was built to resemble a tiny game console on which you can play Hangman. For testing purposes, you will be able to see the words that we receive using an API, so that we can both cover the winning and losing scenarios. Let's go. At first, the console is going to boot up, and you will be asked to type in your name. Then you're going to pick the red pill or blue pill, but hint, both of them are going to lead you to the game. This is the welcoming message for Hangman. We're going to press enter to start the game, and we can pick the length of the words. We're going to go with shorter words today and simple nouns, not names. Now we're going to receive the words using the API. We're going to press enter to play. That's the first word, but we're going to pretend we haven't seen it. And we're going to start making our guesses. That's correct. And so that is. And we guessed correctly the word, so we won the round. Now it's loading the new round. That's the new word, but this time we're not gonna make it, so we will make just mistakes. We can see that the figurine is already appearing on the screen, and we are losing our lives. So we lost the round. And then the program is going to ask us if we would like to play another round. This time, enough is enough. So this was Hangman. The program also is going to store our results in a CSV file, as you can see, where it's going to tell us the words that we guessed and the words that we haven't guessed. For this time, these are the two words that we saw. One of them we passed, and one of them we failed. I'm Andrei, and this was Hangman. Thank you.